World market analysts at last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are imperfect and unsteady. The world necessitates a considerably more steady and dependable money. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning manageability and versatility. In any case, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. Over and over, the crossover agreement system of blockchain and different tokens rotating around it has additionally been in warm conversation. Before we dive into the Tezos cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the novel elements of Tezos. Notwithstanding, not many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Gigantic exchange expenses and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in logically evolved stages. Numerous digital forms of money neglected to change these issues. Cryptographic forms of money like Tezos has progressively swarmed the standard awareness and built up some decent forward movement. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so gave it sees a mass reception, despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain. Neither the source nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity clear to different clients on the organization. The whole structure of Tezos depends on zero divulgence proof, in this manner permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange technique, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange, putting the power at last in the possession of the client. Tezos has standard redesign plans, and that implies this convention is versatile to meet the fluctuated use instances of today and the unexpected use instances of tomorrow. Tezos can trap deceitful or false exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the previous block. As per the most recent long-haul Tezos cost conjecture, the coin cost will hit $5 by the center of 2022 and afterward $10 toward the finish of 2024. By 2022, the normal cost of Tezos will be at $1.7, greatest cost $1.97, least cost $1.53. Tezos cost gauge toward the finish of 2022 may be around $1.65. In light of our Tezos cost conjecture, the XTZ cost could stretch around $3.50 by 2022. The greatest cost may be around $4.34 and the base will be around $2.95 before the current year's over. Contending and propping in the extreme business sectors, XTZ is a computerized cryptographic money that has raised its own height, being known as a computerized or virtual resource with no coordinated factors or state borders limitations. One cryptographic money will not do homage focal government pressures or be fastened and blemished in administrative financial shackles. Pandemic has brought to front a mechanical transformation has shown a signal to financial backers as XTZ. And thinks about what? All with simply a web association and a cell phone. Tezos has made it workable for everybody to store and move esteem in a money that is impervious to control. It wouldn't be a distortion that this evaluated digital currency could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle of $10, with government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves following the pandemic. This could come as a respite for all XTZ financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and desires to execute in Tezos. For enlightening purposes, one might peruse the specialized examination with RSI level, groups, and so on, and news reports of the crypto market and continue to follow the XTZ coin cost conjecture like clockwork. Tezos Value Expectation 2022. On the off chance that all market factors turn for Tezos, this cryptographic money cost will perform richly, scaling the top as aforementioned, violating all limits throughout the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few languid patterns, it would certainly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Supported by powerful savvy gets, the Tezos cost may effortlessly contact $5.60 before the year's over 2022. Tezos Value Expectation 2023. The geniuses cut the usefulness behind Tezos digital money. Thus, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is said to quit slacking with different coins to show up at a $6 minus $6.80 cost. Financial backers, be that as it may, need to keep an eye out for any unexpected variables. No one could anticipate the pandemic. Tezos Value Forecast 2024. Keeping in context, there are no boomerang impacts in the cryptographic money markets. Tezos is good to go to confirm areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Tezos coin cost, taking it across all obstructions scaling $8. Tezos Value Forecast 2025. A stunning confidence is likewise anticipated for the XTZ cost, fundamentally because of its reliable presentation throughout the long term. Subsequently, this year will be a super gold mine for the cryptographic money market, as the valued computerized resource will outperform all assumptions and flood in front of its significant obstruction level. Seeing an ascent more than ever, the Tezos cost makes certain to cross another untouched high of $10 from where it stands today. Tezos value expectation 2026. Almost certainly. A simple-to-utilize Tezos is great. It is more practical and promising when it is not difficult to spend. Tezos laid out a quick, dependable organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the XTZ with estimating increment a lot higher to the new all-time high around the $12 mark. On the off chance that the drive for practical crypto go on into 2026, the Tezos value changes might try and see a gigantic development in the following couple of years. Numerous crypto market tutors dread that it might see some highs and lows. Be that as it may, these misgivings may not hold for a really long time. As at last, the Tezos coin will balance out to bring courageous returns for its financial backers. Everything relies upon the group movement, possible innovative leap forward, or undeniable level association. As concurred previously, Tezos needs to do a gigantic update in building organizations and coordinated efforts that increment perceivability and implant more assets into the venture, making it significant for every one of the clients and financial backers the same. It would be then expanding in cost complex. Tezos, let us cut what's in store. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. With directed world economies moving towards downturn, it is demonstrated certain that advanced monetary standards will run the monetary realm. Assuredly, Tezos will be one of the most vital lords of this wild, arising as a very unique and energetic power. Tezos will be the pick and selection of financial backers to trade, basically on the grounds that it has gone the distance. And furthermore, financial backers have found an element of unwavering quality implanted in this token. Without a doubt, Tezos has extraordinary potential and will generally be the most appealing digital currencies, primarily due to high exchange security combined with speed scaling, a pinnacle of above $10 without a doubt on a more top-to-bottom specialized examination. What is not yet clear is the manner by which the mining stands out of state-run administrations overall, and whether they also perceive the intrinsic worth of this crypto resource at standard with other important resources. No big surprise, the always dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers are creating and keeping up with the digital money. Who are Tezos contenders? Being a difficult one to figure out, XTZ has given restless evenings to numerous contenders. The rundown is perpetual, like Phantom, Nervos, Binance Shrewd Chain, D-Force, Symbol, Elrond, Gravity, Waves, and others as well. How does Tezos guarantee security contrasted with other digital forms of money? Tezos stands apart as an extraordinary computerized resource. One faces no security issues with Tezos, essentially in view of its striking qualities. Tezos provides you with the significant benefit of keeping your data in the process exceptionally private and non-straightforward. For what reason is Tezos rising? A plenty of item portfolios makes Tezos a fruity dessert. Tezos is an extraordinary fascination for those hoping to bring in cash in the present moment with shrewd choices. From offering crypto credits, procuring revenue to making immense reserve funds, Tezos gives